day 12 of opening trading cards for the rest of 2025. I always find it difficult to open these Tops Match Attacks packs, so apologies for the poor rep. And we start off with the usual basis. We have Champions League winner Hakimi, Garcia, and the hit for the pack is Trophy Triumph Kaka. That's a good card. Now opening the second pack, we have two inserts since it's the other way around. We have Shesko, we have the Leverkusen logo, we have Yildiz, and the two inserts are Enzo Miller from Stuttgart and Manuel Neuer, Trophy Triumph. The hits for the pack are two Trophy Triumph and Enzo Miller. See you guys tomorrow.